Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix messages not sending on Android. When messages are not sending on Android, it can be caused by network issues, incorrect settings, or app problems. This issue may affect both SMS and messaging apps, preventing communication. This guide will walk you through practical steps to fix messages not sending on your mobile device. To begin, unlock your mobile phone and check your mobile signal or Wi Fi connection. Turn airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off. Restart your Android device to refresh system processes. Open the Messages app and try sending the message again, and check if you have enough load credits for SMS if using text messaging. Ensure the recipient number is correct and properly formatted. Go to your phone settings app, tap apps or apps and notifications. Then go to all apps. Find and select messages. Tap storage and cache, then tap the clear cache to remove temporary issues. Go back and tap permissions, ensuring required permissions are enabled. Update the Messages app from the Google Play Store if available. If the issue continues, reset network settings in your phone settings. Tip: if you're using internet based messaging like Messenger or WhatsApp, make sure internet connection is stable. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.